Arihant Brothers Limited. We provide level and flow measurement solution serving over 2 decades. We are an acclaimed name, engaged in offering our precious clients a superior quality range of products. Our environmental responsibility are to save water and save electricity. We provide different product and services that are: water level controller with ultrasonic sensor, flow meter, portable, electromagnetic and mechanical, LT control panel, automatic and manual, pump protection unit, automatic and manual, automatic power factor rectifier, motorized butterfly, dosing pump, air ventilator, with and without motor, CCTV cameras, SCADA system, Wi-Fi or SIM. Arihant water level controller help you in more than one way. It help you to solve seepage problem, reduce amount of your electricity and water bill, and will make your life easy. It has numerous unique features like: set the timer according to the timings of water supply, automatic start and stop the motor whenever the tank is empty or full. Timer can be set 17 times in 24 hours. Pump auto off when tank got full or water supply stop, whichever is earlier. Pump can be operate directly through bypass switch. It will work 24/7 with a negligible consumption of electricity. Install Arihant water level controller and make your life easy.